How to make bread sandwich. Okay, easy and quick.
How to make
In 1 hour,
bread
you can make 320
sandwich wrapper
pieces like that.
bread
Very thin.
using a small machine.
In 1 sack of flour, 300 grams salt, and
1 sack of flour.
300 grams also sugar.
How many cups salt?
One
Put in 1 sack
or
of
8
flour.
liters oil, and maybe I think 3 liters of water like that to mix in 1 sack of flour. 50 kilos like that.
So this bread is super thin. Layer 1, then the layer 2, super thin. Slow speed making bread. Oh my god, another sounds. So noisy. There's another machine working. 2 times only. The first one and the second one. This one. How many pieces you make in 1 batch? How many pieces that one? That one. Kam apa mo dyan na tasawi? Okay. 1 batch, 27 pieces. Maybe make like 2 minutes like that in the machine. Then we go to in the oven how to cook that one, the wrapper. It's easy. If you have a restaurant, that's when you have an idea how to make a wrapper bread. Less expenses than you buy ready-made. It is. In the ingredients, salt, and you put baking soda. There's less ingredients, salt, and maybe little bit sugar to balance the taste, and the baking powder. You put more baking powder, no? What you put? Amira is Amira. Put Amira? Camera, no. This is 27 pieces. This is how to cook bread one. Oh, my God. It becomes big also. That's first batch, 27 pieces. Then the ingredients is salt, little sugar, and then oil. And it's very thick. The sandwich wrapper. Any sandwich, you make 1 liter. Oil. Another kind of Kam harara mungkin kurang. Armania hamsin. Hai hai. Maaf. Bismillah. 1 minute. Yummy. Fresh spoken bread. Used by okay. That's all. Ribs, sal, kapag mahal, mix, atas, mix atas, boneless, chicken, now, wings, fish, fillet, tuna, saffron, molten, shrimp, fish fillet, grill, side, salata. Mix of delicious small, medium, small, salata. Guys, likod tayo ng dagat niya. Pang anti-radiation. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys.